This song you're about to learn how to play, Champagne Problems, is going to blow your mind. I taught this song over on my TikTok channel, and people who had never even thought that they could play the piano or who had given up learning were blowing up the comments, completely amazed at their ability to play this. Just a warning, you might freak out just a little bit when you realize how simple this Taylor Swift song is to play on the piano. And if you're brand new to my channel, hello, my name is Brienne, and I teach adults how to play the piano in a way that feels fun and simple. Now, if you are new to playing the piano and you're just at the beginning of your piano journey, I wanted to let you know that I have a free workshop you can join showing you the steps to get started playing in just 20 minutes a day. This is something that is not on my YouTube channel, but I'm linking it down below if you want to join. Now, this tutorial is divided into two parts. The first section is going to be more of the learning section where I show you the 4 chords that you need to know in order to play this song. If you don't know even what the word chord means, don't worry. I will show you exactly what it means, show you how to use the chords so that you can start playing this song. And then the second part is more of a play along where we're going to take the chords that you learned and we're going to put the words to the song with them and we'll be playing it together. And P.S. make sure to watch until the end of the video because I'm going to give you a bonus tip on how to make this song sound even prettier and smoother as you're playing it. So there are 4 chords that you need to know how to play for this song. If you don't know what a chord is just a set of keys that you play at the same time. So for Champagne Problems, you'll need to know 4 chords. C chord, G chord, A minor chord, and F chord. And we're gonna go through each one of these. So to find the C chord, start with finding C. Now to find C on your piano, we're looking for middle C. Just find the set of 2 black keys, slide down to the left, and this is C. So place your right hand thumb right there. Then you're gonna skip up and play E. And then you're gonna skip up again, and you're going to play G. All right, so this is the C chord, C, E, and G, all at the same time. Now with this song, to keep it super simple, just play 1 key with your left hand. So for the C chord, just come down here to this C, set of 2 black keys, slide down to the left, and play that C. When you put it all together, it's the C chord. Now here's what's really cool. So all we're gonna do for this next chord, the G chord, is we're gonna take this same shape and pattern, and instead of our thumb, our right hand thumb being on C, we're just gonna move it down to G. So now we have G, B, and D, and that's the G chord. And of course, left hand will just play a G as well. So let's review that really quickly, getting practice moving from those chords. So we go from the C chord down to the G chord. Now the next chord is A minor. So you're gonna take this same shape and pattern, but instead of your thumb being on G, you're just going to move it up to A. So now we have A, C, and E with your right hand, and of course, A with your left hand. All right, so you've already learned the first 3 chords, so let's go over them really quick. So we've got C, take the same shape and pattern, go down to G, same shape and pattern, and go up to A minor. Now you just have 1 chord left. Can you believe how simple this gets to be? So the last chord is F. So all you're gonna do, same shape and pattern, just take your right hand thumb and move it down to F. So now you have F, A, and C, and your left hand will be on F as well. And you'll play those all at the same time. All right, so now you know the 4 chords. So exciting, you're so close to being able to play this. So for this song, you're going to be just playing these 4 chords, and you're gonna be going back and forth like this. And you're gonna count to 8 for each of these. So it'll go like this, it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you move to G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you move to A minor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you move to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the entire song, just these 4 chords repeated over and over and over again with the word. When you're ready, go ahead and place your hands up there on the C chord. So what you're gonna do for this song is you're gonna start with an introduction where you just go back and forth between these chords for 8 counts each, and then the words start. So we're gonna play an introduction together, and then I will sing along so you can hear how the words go along with the song. Okay, here's where the words will start. You booked the night train for a reason, so you could sit there in this hurt. Bustling crowds are silent sleepers. You're not sure which is worse, because I dropped your hand while dancing, left you out there standing, crestfallen on the landing. Champagne problems. Your mom's ring in your pocket, my picture in your wallet. Your heart was glass, I dropped it. Champagne problems. Then you're gonna do a little interlude here. Just the chords, doing the same thing that you've been doing. And then we'll go into verse 2. You told your family for a reason, you couldn't keep it in. Your sister splashed out on the bottle, now no one's celebrating. Don Perry on you brought it, no crowd of friends applauded. Your hometown skeptics called it champagne problems. You had a speech, you're speechless. Love slipped beyond your reaches, and I couldn't give the reason. Champagne problems. Then another little interlude here with just the chords. This next part has a lot of words, so here we go. We'll do our best. Your Midas touch on the Chevy door, November flush and your flannel cure. This dorm was once a madhouse, made a joke, well it's made for me. How evergreen our group of friends, don't think we'll say that word again, and soon they'll have the nerve to deck the halls that we once walked through. 1 for the money, 2 for the show. I never was ready, so I watched you go. Sometimes you just don't know the answer till someone's on their knees and asks you. She would have made such a lovely bride. What a shame she's stuck in her head. They said you'll find the real thing instead. She'll patch up your tapestry that I shred, and hold your hand while dancing, never leave you standing, crestfallen on the landing. Champagne problems. Your mom's ring in your pocket, her picture in your wallet. You won't remember all my champagne problems. You won't remember all my champagne problems. And then to end this, you can just play these chords again for one more round. And then you can just end on the F chord. Makes kind of a cool little dramatic ending, or you could stretch out your hand and play like the low F there as well. Here's a little bonus tip to make this song sound even better as you're playing it. If you have a pedal on your keyboard, or you have like a set of pedals on your piano, use the one on the far right. And when you're playing this, you can just take your foot and press down on the pedal as you start playing the first chord. Now, you're not just gonna press down the pedal and hold it for the whole song. When you switch to the next chord, then you're gonna do a quick up and down motion on the pedal, okay? So every time that you move to the next chord, just do a quick up and down motion, and it will make your song sound so pretty and smooth. Now, if you loved this video, I think you're gonna love this next video, so I'm linking it here for you to go check out next, and I'll see you over there.